let's take out Chalkola's 40 chalk markers. Here's all the colors, 30 basics, 10 metallics. Let's pull out one of the blues right here to get a look at it. You see the tip looks white, but if we shake that with the cap on and build up pressure inside of that pen like this, and then we take it and press it against the glass like this over and over to release that pressure, we'll start to get color out of it. Now you can see it comes out quite vibrant. I'm not an artist, but my daughter is. You can see what she did on the back here. Hopefully I just didn't smudge any of it down there, but you can see how much art she did. It looks really cool. Looks like she used the reds, the pinks, the greens, the whites, some beige color over here, a little bit of yellow. I definitely smudged it through here, don't worry about that. But you can see it goes on the glass really well, and let's see how well it washes up. So I'm just gonna use a damp rag here, and you can see it cleans up pretty quickly, but I probably definitely have to get a dry rag on there too. There we go, I can wipe that up, and within just a few seconds, you can see that's already totally clean. Well, maybe not totally, still some smudgies, but you know, clean enough for me. So with all these different colors, just imagine all you can do and how easily you can clean it up and redo it again if you want. So we like to put schedules onto our mirrors, but you can also use these for fun if you want. Lots of different ways you can use these chalk markers.